The year is 2245. Deep within the Milky Way galaxy, a lone planet orbits its star. It is a world teeming with life, a paradise of lush forests, sparkling oceans and vibrant cities. Unbeknownst to its inhabitants, a silent predator stalks the cosmos. A colossal spaceship, its hull as dark as the void itself, emerges from hyperspace. Its sensors lock onto the unsuspecting planet, its appetite insatiable. Days turn into nights. The planet's inhabitants go about their lives, oblivious to the impending doom. Then, without warning, the sky erupts in a blinding flash. The very ground beneath their feet begins to tremble. The planet, once a beacon of life, is ripped apart, consumed by an unimaginable force. The cosmic predators have struck again. But who are they? Where do they come from? And most importantly, are we next? For centuries, stories of planet-eating entities have haunted the human psyche. Ancient cultures, from the Mayans to the Egyptians, wove tales of celestial beings with an unquenchable thirst for destruction. These myths, often dismissed as mere superstition, speak of gods and monsters capable of devouring entire worlds. Could these ancient tales hold a grain of truth? Is it possible that our ancestors witnessed something truly terrifying? Something beyond our comprehension?
The Mayan calendar, with its cryptic prophecies of cosmic cycles and catastrophic events, hints at a deep understanding of celestial phenomena. Similarly, the ancient Egyptians believed in a cosmic serpent, Apep, who threatened to devour the sun god Ra, plunging the world into darkness. These ancient stories, passed down through generations, paint a disturbing picture of a universe teeming with unseen dangers. While we may be tempted to dismiss them as mere folklore, their persistence across cultures and throughout history suggests a deeper truth may lie hidden within their symbolism.
In recent decades, advancements in astronomy have allowed us to peer deeper into the cosmos than ever before. We have discovered thousands of exoplanets, planets orbiting other stars, many of which resemble our own Earth. But amongst these incredible discoveries, there have been some unsettling observations.
Astronomers have documented several instances of planets seemingly vanishing without a trace. These are not cases of gradual dimming or fading. These are planets that have simply disappeared from their star systems, leaving behind no debris, no remnants, no explanation. The case of Kepler 107c, a super-Earth located some 1,700 light-years away, is particularly perplexing. This massive planet, nearly twice the size of Earth, vanished from its orbit without any sign of a cataclysmic event. These unexplained disappearances have sent ripples through the scientific community. While some scientists argue for natural explanations, such as collisions with rogue planets or gravitational ejection from their star systems, others are not so convinced. The lack of any observable debris or remnants in these cases suggests a more exotic possibility, the work of something capable of consuming entire planets.
One of the leading contenders for the culprit behind these planetary disappearances is the black hole. These cosmic monsters, formed from the collapsed cores of massive stars, possess gravitational pulls so strong that not even light can escape their grasp. It is conceivable that a rogue black hole wandering through the vast expanse of space could encounter a planetary system and wreak havoc. The immense gravity of a black hole would indeed be capable of swallowing a planet whole, leaving behind no trace.
However, there are some issues with this hypothesis. Black holes are incredibly dense objects, and their passage through a star system would likely disrupt the orbits of other planets, leaving behind telltale signs of gravitational disturbance. Yet in the cases of these vanished worlds, the remaining planets in their respective systems seem undisturbed, their orbits unperturbed. While black holes remain a possible, albeit unlikely explanation, the lack of gravitational disruption in these cases has led some scientists to consider other, more speculative possibilities.
Section 5, the alien hypothesis.
The most unsettling explanation for these planetary disappearances is, of course, the involvement of an advanced alien civilization.
The idea that we are not alone in the universe has captivated humanity for centuries. But what if our cosmic neighbors are not the benevolent explorers of science fiction? but something far more sinister.
An advanced alien civilization with technology far surpassing our own could possess the means to harness the energy of entire stars, perhaps even manipulate the very fabric of space-time.
Such a civilization might view planets as mere resources to be exploited, their inhabitants insignificant in the grand scheme of their cosmic endeavors.
The concept of a Type 3 civilization, as described by the Kardashev scale, suggests a civilization capable of controlling energy on a galactic scale, making the consumption of planets a chilling possibility.
While the alien hypothesis may seem like the stuff of science fiction, it cannot be easily dismissed.
The laws of physics do not preclude the existence of such advanced civilizations, and the unexplained phenomena we observe in the cosmos may be tantalizing hints of their presence.
Section 6, A Gathering Storm. The possibility of planet-eating aliens once confined to the realms of mythology and science fiction is now a topic of serious scientific discussion. The evidence, though circumstantial, is mounting. Ancient tales whisper of cosmic predators, modern astronomy reveals vanished worlds, and the laws of physics allow for the existence of civilizations far beyond our own. Could it be that these seemingly disparate threads are connected, weaving a tapestry of cosmic horror far beyond our wildest nightmares? Is it possible that our planet, our home, is not as safe as we once believed? The implications of this realization are both profound and terrifying.
Section 7. The Fermi Paradox Revisited. The Fermi Paradox, named after physicist Enrico Fermi, poses a simple yet profound question. If the universe is teeming with life, as many scientists believe, then where is everybody?
The vastness of the cosmos and the immense timescales involved suggest that other intelligent civilizations should have arisen and left their mark on the galaxy. Yet, we see no evidence of their existence. The possibility of planet-eating aliens offers a chilling solution to the Fermi paradox. What if advanced civilizations are not broadcasting their presence to the cosmos, but are instead actively concealing it? What if they are engaged in a cosmic game of hide and seek, not out of fear, but out of necessity? If a civilization possesses the technology to devour planets, it stands to reason that they would also be wary of other civilizations with similar capabilities. In this context, the silence of the cosmos takes on a new and ominous meaning. It is not the silence of emptiness, but the silence of predators stalking their prey.
Section 8. The Search for Answers. The search for extraterrestrial life has captivated humanity for generations, but the possibility of planet-eating aliens adds a new dimension to this quest. We must now ask ourselves not only if we are alone, but also if we are safe. The stakes have never been higher.
Scientists around the world are now redoubling their efforts to search for signs of extraterrestrial intelligence, both benevolent and malevolent. New telescopes, both ground-based and space-based, are being designed and built with the specific goal of detecting faint signals that might betray the presence of advanced civilizations. These efforts are not merely driven by scientific curiosity, but by a growing sense of urgency. The future of our species may depend on what we discover. Section 9. Our place in the cosmos. The realization that we may not be alone in the universe and that our cosmic neighbors may not be friendly forces us to confront our place in the cosmos. We are no longer the center of creation, but a single species on a single planet, adrift in a vast and indifferent universe. This realization can be both humbling and terrifying. However, it is important to remember that we are also a species of immense resilience and ingenuity. We have faced challenges throughout our history, and we have overcome them. The threat of planet-eating aliens, though daunting, is not insurmountable. By harnessing our collective intelligence and resources, we can develop the technology and strategies necessary to defend ourselves. Section 10. A call to action. The time for complacency is over. We can no longer afford to ignore the possibility of extraterrestrial threats. The future of our species, and indeed the future of life as we know it, may depend on our actions in the coming years and decades. We must invest in space exploration and research, develop advanced technologies, and foster global cooperation. We must prepare for the unknown, for the possibility that we are not alone, and that our survival may depend on our ability to defend ourselves. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, full of wonders and dangers. We must face these challenges with courage, intelligence, and a determination to ensure the survival of our species. The future of humanity may depend on it. May